निकल पड़ो सफर पर अपने, कर लो पूरे अधूरे सपने। कल का छोड़ आज की रस्म निभा, कर ले खूबसूरत अपनी हर सुबह। पंजा रूमी सा शायर, समझ के जान के, कर ले खुद से ही वफा, कर ले खुद से ही वफा।
Good morning everyone, it's another bright and beautiful day in Jispa, and after the whole freezing and adventurous night we got very tired, and now the sun has taken away all the tiredness, so we are feeling fresh and active, and we are ready to hit the roads again. So for now we are done with our breakfast, and we are like winding up. As you can see, आशीष एंड अक्षय दे आर डूइंग देयर पार्ट, एंड उसके बाद आज का प्लान ये है कि अभी यहाँ से लाइक आफ्टर 4 और 5 किलोमीटर्स एक चेक पोस्ट है, वो हमें 12 बजे से पहले क्रॉस करना है, अदरवाइज दे वोंट लेट अस इन। एंड आज हमें जाना है दीपक ताल, सूरज ताल पे काफ़ी स्नो बता रहे हैं। एज यू माइट हैव सीन ऑलरेडी, द थिंग्स वेंट हॉरिबली रॉन्ग लास्ट नाइट. The mountains have their own plans for you. Things never go as according to your plan, and yeah, luckily we survived the last night. So for now we are already getting late, as you can see वो लोग अकेले लगे हुए हैं, and I have to help them out. Coming bro, coming. Just a sec. So I'll just keep you updated whatever comes our way.
As we reached Deepak Tal, we already knew there were better things on our way, because this was just the beginning and the lake looked so beautiful. We spent a good hour at the lake, clicking some pictures and staring at its beauty. Then we moved further to our next destination, which was Suraj Tal Lake. So yes people, the twist in the story is, at first our plan was to go to Zanskar Valley, and for all those जिन्हें नहीं पता, Zanskar lies in the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh. So basically you will end up being in Ladakh only, but from a total different route. Unfortunately हमें Zanskar की permission नहीं मिली, but we ended up being permitted up to Leh only. और उस रास्ते के जो व्यूज थे ना, आप खुद ही देख लो यार।
Yeah, hello everyone. As I told you that we were heading towards Suraj Tal Lake, and we are already on our way. And guys, you won't believe, it is so beautiful.
It's really fucking
Ashish,
awesome. Definitely tell you.
Tell them yaar, tell them.
Very beautiful guys. Ultimate.
How is it?
I think it's
हम बस कुछ फोटोज वगैरह लेने के लिए रुके हैं, and these guys, even including we are just going crazy.
it's not possible. We cannot.
Wow man, wow.
Look like it's totally beautiful.
Wait, I'll show you.
Believe me people, it was 12th of June and maybe 12 or 1 in the noon, and we were just in the middle of the snow. All our eyes could witness was snow all around. We got a little unlucky with the snowfall, but it's alright, it was June guys, and I have never imagined that this part of the year could be so beautiful.
Surajtal Lake, and it's too much. Like you can see, it's knee-deep snow over here, and we'll have to like walk for around 500 meters or so. And बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. हम 2-3 बार already slip हो चुके हैं. So yes guys, you tell me.
What?
How are you feeling?
Hell what?
कैसा लग रहा है भाई यहाँ के? फाइनली वी हैव लाइक पहुँच चुके हैं हम यहाँ. इतने टाइम से हम ड्राइव कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम लास्ट 2-3 days.
Yes.
So yeah, अक्षत ब्रो, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग?
Amazing bro.
देखो अभी सीन ये है कि अक्षत को थोड़ा सा हल्का सा ऑल्टीट्यूड सिकनेस वाली प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. बाकी इतना कुछ भी नहीं है. डर के आगे जीत है. हमने जस्ट अभी गाड़ी पार्क की है एंड हमें अब यहाँ से जस्ट 500 मीटर्स के अराउंड वॉक करना पड़ेगा. इजी ध्यान से, स्लिपरी है बहुत. मैं 1-2 बार मैं पीछे गिर चुका हूँ 1-2 बार. हमारे कुछ साथ में जो अक्षत है, अक्षत भी गिर चुका है 1-2 बार. एंड
really beautiful and
अभी हम इससे थोड़ा सा दूर हैं. अभी दूर से इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना लिटरली. एंड गाइज प्लीज,
मतलब it's a 360 degree view and हर जगह बर्फ है.
हर जगह बर्फ है, हर जगह बर्फ है.
इसको खुद से विटनेस करना.
और इतना लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करने के बाद यार, दिस इज सच अ रिवॉर्ड मैन.
यार अश्विन सीरियसली
देख कितना स्लिपरी हो रखा है.
my eyes.
या
What I'm
अक्षत,
seeing right now.
यू टेल यार, हाउ अबाउट यू? हाउ इज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
सुंदर सब कुछ. हम सोच भी नहीं सकते कि हम मतलब गॉड के उस नेचर को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं जो हमने खाली मतलब कि पिक्चर्स में देखा था.
These kind of places still exist यार. कि हम कितना मतलब एनवायरनमेंट
रह जाती है.
Yes.
If you are traveling with your family,
Family.
you must visit these kind of places. मतलब
Yes,
show
yes,
them
yes.
real beauty.
Yes, of course, yes, of course.
Show them real beauty.
So, हेमंत यार, आप बताइए, how are you feeling about this? Yes.
Can't describe in words. It's really, I can't describe in words. I just now imagine that I got to see these kind of views.
Guys, I must tell
But
you कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा
I'm thankful to the God and thankful to my friends that I visited this places. I'm very thankful and this is a great beauty. Great.
चलो बाकी अब चलते हैं लेक पे. और क्योंकि हमें आगे भी फर्दर जाना है, सो उसके बाद विल शो यू हाउ डज द लेक लुक्स. So yeah guys, we are finally at the lake and I just can't describe this thing that I just can't describe that how beautiful this is. And
So
you must continue. I have just gone speechless.
Right now we are in front of the lake and the wind was like increased from starting till end. Right now it is really very much high and steady and we are shivering right
Thankfully sun is up. Thankfully sun is
now.
up.
And seriously, because of him we are standing right now and we are shooting each and everything. It's a great view and we can say that you can start the countdown.
Yeah, I must.
Countdown.
This needs a countdown. This place needs a countdown.
And
So here we go in 3, 2, and 1.
This was the best day of our trip. I would be lying if I would say that being a traveler, I don't wish to visit Iceland once in my entire lifetime. But obviously this lake looked out of this world because it was totally frozen and we were getting those Iceland and Arctic vibes. And I feel so proud to say that our India is so diverse and is so extravagantly beautiful, as it is already being said. It's our India, incredible India.